frequency tables can be utilized to identify patterns or trends within the data subsets. Statistical analysis becomes more robust when considering various data subsets. Two-way frequency tables are particularly useful when dealing with categorical variables. Understanding data subsets allows for targeted analysis and hypothesis testing. Two-way frequency tables assist in identifying potential correlations between two categorical variables. Statistical tools cannot handle data subsets efficiently. Data subsets help in segmenting and organizing data for more detailed analysis. Two-way frequency tables are not applicable in real-world data analysis scenarios. Two-way frequency tables provide a visual representation of the joint distribution of two variables. Ignoring data subsets can lead to oversimplification and misinterpretation of statistical results.